Hi friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix cannot send messages for 3 days in Instagram. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all check your Instagram up to date or not. For that open your Google Play Store, then search here Instagram. If your Instagram not up to date, then update it from here. Go back, open your settings, go to the apps, search here Instagram, press on force stop, press on force stop, press on storage, press on clear data. Before clearing the data, if you know your Instagram user ID and password, then clear data. Then read this sentence: this app data will be permanently deleted. This includes files, settings, databases and other app data. Then press on OK. After that go back, open your Instagram, press on your profile icon, press on 3 lines top right side corner, then select here setting and privacy. Here little bit is scroll down, press on help, select here report a problem, again select here report a problem, then press on don't include and continue. Here you type some of the matter. Hi Instagram team, I am getting a pop-up that I cannot send a message for 3 days. I never break any community guidelines. You can check my Instagram account. Please resolve my problem as soon as possible. Thank you. Then upload the error screenshot. Then press on send. Then go back. Then log out to your Instagram for 24 hours. Then open your Google Play Store. Search here Instagram. Press on Instagram. Select here developer contact. You can see here one email ID is there, Android support at instagram.com. Open this email ID. Then select here Gmail. Then copy and paste same matter. Then type here subject also. Then type here subject I am getting a pop-up, cannot send message for 3 days. Then send it. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.